Hello viewers. Just a glimpse of Jeep Safari that we had at Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary at Guwahati. Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary is at Moregaon district of Assam. It holds one of the largest Indian rhinoceros populations. We started from Narangi area of Guwahati early in the morning at 6 am. Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary is at 35 kilometers from Narangi. We reached Pobitora by 7:30 am. Pobitora offers both Jeep and Elephant Safari. We took Jeep Safari. Jeep Safari charges 1500 per Jeep. Each Jeep carries maximum of 4 people. The booking time of Jeep Safari starts usually at 7 in the morning. But as it was raining, they started the booking of Jeep Safari at 12 pm only. They said it will not be possible for Jeep Safari while raining. Hence we waited till 12 pm. We had our breakfast from nearby shop. There are small hotels which are suitable for breakfast, lunch and snacks. After 12 pm we started our Jeep Safari. In between there is a viewpoint. Jeep stopped there for some time. People went up and took photographs. Again they took us deep into the jungle. Jeep moved through the muddy roads. In Pobitora, Elephant Safari is also a very nice tourist attraction. But the slots are very less. Hence, it will be better to reach very early if you want to go for an Elephant Safari. During our Jeep Safari, we came across some elephants and wild boar. Also, we can see a lot of cows. The rhinos were far away. We had a view only from a far distance. The driver said they rarely come into the jungle. They were grazing in the fields. If you are lucky, you will see them from near. Even if you don't see the rhinos, I can say that you will surely enjoy the ride, the pristine jungle and its peace. We felt refreshed in that dense forest. Our mind was full of peace. The safari took almost 1 hour. It was worth. Our driver was very experienced and well behaved. See, there is a wild boar. We stopped there for some time and then we continued. We enjoyed our safari very much. I recommend this place for a one-day quick hangout with our loved ones. If you want to stay there are homestays also. Thank you for watching.